Hello everyone, so for today's video, I know I haven't posted in a while, so for today's video I wanted to describe and simply talk about some personal project that I have been working on. So right now I'm at a tech school which I go, it's called Digital School. Yeah, that's basically it. And right now at the model that I am, I'm learning front-end developing and web developing. So for this project, I have already finished it. Well, not 100%, but yeah, you get the point. I wanted to talk about it and describe and show you guys what I've made so far. I hope you guys really enjoy it because this really took me a lot of time trying to figure out new things to put into this website and stuff like that. I still haven't done. Wait, I think I still haven't done contact and shop. I have done items and I have done about. And I've done style. The style literally took me 506, or at least 502 lines of literal code. And on the first personal index, we have 142. Second index, which is about, we have 89. Then the other items one, we have 123. I didn't count, but you could do the math. I don't do math. Alright, so over here at this left section over here, we can see all our elements, such as the fragrance perfumes and this thing which I didn't get to use. I used something else. This is like a fragrance logo or something. Yeah, this was supposed to be, and it still is, a fragrance shop, an online fragrance shop. Well, let's get right into it and let's talk about what I made. Alright, so right away when you join, you see the Perfume Paradise and discover to special luxury fragrance. Sorry guys, it's been a long day. Over here we have the navigation bar, which is home, shop, about, content, and I think this is the, keep forgetting it because I just made a logo. I think this is like the cart of, no, this is the items. Sorry, this is like the items. I want to change the shop to a cart so you could, add to cart when you click this. I want it to make it all the way to the cart section, but you need to do that with JavaScript with some function if else's. But at this level that I am right now, I can't really use them for reasons, personal reasons. Plus I don't want to flex to everyone else in the class, just to let you know. Alright, so let's just get straight into it. This is the website itself. I've got some pretty famous fragrances such as Strong With You, Intensely, and I want to talk about this. So what I made is literally just, let me talk about the code here. So I made a header, which is Perfume Paradise. We've talked about what those are in the first video. Sorry about that. It's this Perfume Paradise, blah blah blah. And then navigation bar, which we talked literally a few seconds ago. This one right here. This is the navigation bar. The section ID, which is called Home, and welcome to Perfume Paradise. Explore and use exclusive collection to the perfume that accommodate the scents. Blah blah blah. We've made our section to shop, which we, talked about our first fragrances, and then product 2, 3, 4, blah blah blah. These are in different classes, as I said before, and I literally just got a picture of Strong With You Intensely, made its border radius 15, and made a hover transition, so when I hover to it, you can get the color of the perfume itself. So you have add to cart. I made this fancy little button. We got the price here, the smell itself, and this was just UI UX design which I made for a perfume. This isn't real. I call it Sephon. I don't even know why. It's fresh, clean ocean. It's not a real fragrance, but who cares? Made it really expensive. Orange sweet perfume, same with UI UX. $67.50. Add to cart, same button, and as you can see, it's the same. What color is the fragrance? You have the same hover. And let's say this is I didn't name this one. Okay, that's cool. Same thing over here as well. Pure silver. A friend actually came up with this name. And this is my actual fragrance. I have this fragrance right above my cabinet. It's pretty good, actually, not gonna lie, and it's really cheap. And then Jean Paul Gaultier La Melelixa, really famous fragrance, but really expensive. I got this from Google. It cost $152 apparently. And then Straight Freak, $28, and Creed Aventus, which costs 100 milliliters, cost around $500. But we don't really care about the fragrance because we're not gonna buy any. I already said I have this one, so we don't need it. We don't need any other one. All right, so as we can see here, we made a little footer. That's what it's called. We made a little footer over here. Centered all of these, same buttons, but what I added really interesting is, besides the hover effects, I added these navigation bars to work. So I only have done, I think, the home, which is this one right here. If you can click on it, it brings you right to this page. Shop, I don't think, yeah, I didn't do this yet. We have done about us. We literally got this from straight from AI intelligence, ChatGPT. Talked about our perfume missions, whatever. Contact, I don't think I want to do anything here. And the items itself. So over here are all the fragrances. I don't know why the navigation bar is going down. I try to fix it, but it don't. So I don't think that's really a big problem. Like, you go down and look at the fragrances and you see these. As I said before, these are all the fragrances I have. I might add some more, but not really feeling it because that's a lot of work. I have 9 fragrances in total. But enough with the preview. Let's get straight into describing all of what we did. So first we have the personal, or the home page of the website, which we made by a lot of sections, a lot of div classes to know which product we're producing, where we're advertising it. We made product 9 being the Creed. We also got the pictures over here, such as Stronger With You. This was originally my first image that I wanted to get, but I didn't like it, so I changed it to Stronger With You Intensely, this one. Really good fragrance. And some other stuff. I wanted to use this as well, but I couldn't. I don't know, it wasn't working. But yeah, this is like the home page. You can also get all of this code to my GitHub, which I will leave in the description below. I have other projects which you can get the code from, no charge, no nothing, totally free. Alright, so we have the style here. The style is something really interesting because it took so long. I had to fix every product, every hover transition, every display, every heading, every print in order. We changed the color of the body, the header itself, box shadow, navigation bar. We changed the color, navigation bar links or elements, as I like to call them. We changed their color, their text, texture, padding, margin, display, blah blah blah. We made the footer as well, the heading, the paragraphs, all the paragraphs, the sections, products, and then we went to products. So we have product 1, border radius. Border, 1 pixel, margin button, because you have to fix all of the elements that are in that section, in that element. Product 1, product 1 hover as well. Then we have product 2 image and hover, product 3 image and hover, and so on and so on. all the way up to the 9th. And then we have product 1 buttons, which I had to fix for each one to be at centered because it was going to left and right. So it took a long time, not going to lie. My head even hurts. Not even going to lie to you. We made a little button after and before transition, as you can see right here. This little cool effect. I don't really think that much of it. It's cool, I guess. And then the home page and the headers. And I wanted to do this, but it's already done, so I don't really need it. About, we literally just got a index code and just connected it to our CSS, which is this one right here. Same elements, just a body and header, and just a header navigation bar, the same navigation bar. For what, you might ask? Well, you see how this is right here, this little thing? I click to about us, it's still there. So that's what it does. Paragraphs and sections, headings as well, talking about what our goals is and blah blah blah. I deleted the items, but this, I almost froze because I thought it was in here. Oh. Well, here we have our items. I got this from a website logo thingy. All our fragrances that we added here, and the image styles and fonts and shit, sizes, blah blah blah. I want to do these contact and shop HTML. I want to change the shop to add to cart thingy, but that requires JavaScript, but I might use it. Who cares? Just get my chances up for me to win that badge. So I want it for when I click this, it needs to go to the shop. And when I click to shop, I don't know if I need to use databases for that. I think I do. I think I do, guys. Not even gonna lie to you. That's the logic behind it. Cause let's do JavaScript. Let's say if clicked, display at shop or display at cart, right? And else don't display. Let's say if I don't click it, don't do anything. But yeah, that's what the project is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will publish this to my GitHub. The link to my GitHub will be in the description below. Thank you all for watching and have a blessed day.